A huge billboard fell on the floor in the airport, the broken glass hit the boy underneath, and cut the poor boy's veins. A man steps out, he claims that he is a doctor, and presses down on the boy's wound. Just when the boy's parents feel relief for the doctor's appearance, a voice sounds.
We're killing him.
The doctor wants to argue with the guy who stopped him, but soon realizes that the guy was right. Turns out, the injured boy is too young, so when the doctor thought he pressed on his carotid artery, he was actually pressing on his windpipe. Just like the guy's prediction, after changing the compression position, the boy resumes breathing. This guy's name is Sean, and he's a genius with autism. His brain can run like a computer. Through observation, Sean finds that the boy suffers from a traumatic pneumothorax, which makes it difficult for him to breathe. It can endanger the boy's life at any time, and he must be operated on immediately.
Who here has a sharp knife? Blade 5 inches or longer?
But they are in an airport. Who would have knives? Sean seems to realize that too, so he walks straight into the security checkpoint and takes a knife and left. Fortunately, the boy's mom followed him and she explains the situation to the guards, which saves Sean from being arrested as a terrorist. Back to the boy. After sterilizing the bottle with some alcohol, Sean turns the bottle into a simple valve and begins his surgery. The boy's parents close their eyes and pray for their son. Thankfully, the surgery is going very smoothly. With the tube inserted into the boy's chest, he finally resumes normal breathing. Later, the ambulance arrives. Sean gets into the ambulance with the boy and watches over him, and suddenly he notices a subtle change in the boy's EKG. Sean suggests for the doctor to check the boy's heart, but the boy's heartbeat stays the same, so the doctor didn't take Sean's words seriously. After arriving at the hospital, Sean insists that the doctor should do an echocardiogram for the boy. But still, the doctor doesn't listen to him and he drives Sean away because he thinks Sean is disturbing everyone in the hospital. In the operation room, the boy's blood pressure suddenly starts to drop and the doctor thinks of Sean's words and did an echocardiogram for the boy. The result shows that his heart is normal, which means something else is wrong. The doctor has to find Sean and ask for his help. Sean asks for the test result and the doctor gives him an exception.
Again?
After replaying the video, Sean finally finds the actual problem. After the boy was hit by the glass, a glass shard fell into the boy's body with the blood circulation. The doctors take Sean's advice and decide to redo the surgery. And this time, they find a piece of shard hiding in the boy's superior vena cava. Sean saves the boy's life once again, and his story has just begun.